This beautiful villa in Casa Linda is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Has really high ceilings and a fantastic open living space, and it's on a ravine lot, so it's very private. Let's take a look. There's a bedroom on this side. The master is back here. Open kitchen with a beautiful island and a guest bedroom on this side. All opening up onto the pool with a private ravine lot. So let's start in the master. The master is through here. Air conditioning. Double sinks in the bathroom. There is a walk-in closet. Lots of storage. Master bath, double sinks. The first guest bedroom is on the left side of the door when you're walking in. It's right here. With a stand-up shower. The next guest bedroom is to the right of the doors, the front doors. It's right here. With a bathroom through here. With a tub. You can see this handy pocket door. Which allows you to close off the guest with the bathroom or close the guest bedroom door. To allow guests to use this bathroom. Through here is the kitchen. Dishwasher, all stainless appliances. Nice island. It also has a slide out to the pool deck. Come through here out onto the pool deck. You can see this is a very private ravine lot. With a great outdoor shower. Directly on the ravine, so very private. Guitar-shaped pool, very novel. It's a very pretty villa.